Today we talk about how can you add about you on your Goodnovel app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come to about yourself and here you just click in this sign. Then here add about you in this list. So when you're down here, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to save with you here on your Goodnovel app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.